Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum is a lightweight yet powerful cleaning solution designed for modern homes. With strong suction, advanced filtration, and versatile tools, it delivers efficient cleaning on both hard floors and carpets while making everyday cleaning effortless. 115 air watts of powerful suction. The Dyson V8 delivers 158 of suction power, providing strong and consistent performance for everyday dirt, dust, and debris. It's powerful enough for deep cleaning while remaining energy efficient for longer battery life. Motor Bar Cleaner Head with detangling technology. The Motor Bar TM Cleaner Head deep cleans all floor types and automatically detangles long hair and pet hair as you vacuum. This means less hair wrapped around the brush and more effective cleaning in one pass. Up to 40 minutes of runtime. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction in standard mode, perfect for whole home cleaning. For tougher messes, Max Mode delivers extra power for up to 5 minutes, ideal for quick spot cleaning. 2 power modes for flexible cleaning. The vacuum features 2 power modes, a powerful everyday mode that balances performance and runtime, and Max Mode for intensive cleaning tasks where extra suction is needed. Advanced whole machine HEPA filtration. Dyson's advanced HEPA filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air back into your home. Great for allergy-sensitive households. Converts to handheld for versatility. With a simple click, the Dyson V8 converts into a handheld vacuum, making it ideal for cleaning cars, stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces around the home. Hair screw tool for pet owners. The included hair screw tool uses an anti-tangle conical brush bar that quickly removes long hair and pet hair from pet beds, car seats, stairs, and sofas. Fast and mess-free. Multiple attachments and easy storage. It comes with 3 attachments to clean high, low, and everywhere in between, along with a wall dock and charger for convenient storage and charging. Durable, lightweight design and support made from strong yet lightweight materials, the Dyson V8 is easy to handle and built to last. It includes a 2-year limited warranty, lifetime support from Dyson, and access to personalized guides via the My Dyson app. Overall, the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum is a well-balanced choice for homes that need power, flexibility, and clean air performance. It's especially ideal for pet owners and anyone looking for premium cordless cleaning with trusted durability.